everyone, welcome back. I am Sandy if you are new. I finally broke down and got a Sizzix Big Shot. I had been mainly getting this for the embossing feature. So I was looking at the mini embosser, but that one is only about 4.5 inches wide. And so a lot of the dies are bigger than that. So I kept looking. I was looking on Facebook Marketplace, looking at all different kinds of places. And then scrapbook.com was having a really good sale recently. And there was this new one with this bundle that was gonna be basically what I was finding on all those other websites, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, etc. So I wanted to do a little unboxing here and try out this embossing card that I got. So I'm excited to try that out. So let me move, and it was a really good deal because all these plates, you have the standard platform and then this thin die adapter and then these two big clear plates came with it. And so I thought that was a really good deal. And I like this one. It's the collapsible one. So it stores, it's really thin. You can easily store it. And to open it, there's a button you push on the handle to flip the handle around. And then these plates here, they pull out and then you slide them into these little locks. So I don't know if you can see those two little slots right there. And then they slide in and slide them in till they click. And that's all there is to it. And then it is set up. And this particular embossing folder that I purchased, it's a 3D texture. And this one is, I think they called it cracked leather. So it kind of looks, it's supposed to look like cracked leather. And so I thought I'd give this one a try. And what's really nice is both on the back of this, it gives you instructions of which thing to use. And then also on the standard platform, it gives you instructions on what to use. And so for the 3D textured folders, you just need the standard platform, and then you need this cutting plate. And what you do is you put your item, and I pulled some out over here. I start off with an envelope, just a tea-dyed envelope. And it says to give them a little spray with water. So I'm going to give them a little spritz here off camera. Just a little spritz. And then I'm going to put it in here. And then I put the platform in. And then this sandwich. And then I use one of these, and I think it goes in this side, here, this way. And hold it down, and you have to really kind of give it a crank. Woo! Sorry about all the jiggling on the camera, y'all. See how that turned out. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. So hopefully y'all can kind of see that on the camera. It almost looks like cracked leather, and it does both sides. That's really neat. And then you can ink it up, of course, to give it some texture. You take one of my little foam brushes. There's an ink on it though. Give it a little ink. That's pretty cool. I like that. It really does kind of look like cracked leather. That's pretty neat. So, I mean, gosh, this big shot was super easy to use and figure out. I did pick up another embossing folder, and I'm going to give it a try. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, so I'm going to give it a try. It's this swirl here, and I have a piece of paper over here. Y'all hear that thunder? I had a storm pop up. So I'm going to try another piece of tea-dyed paper. I'm going to give it a little spritz. And put it in here. And I think with this thinner one, I need this plate and the top plate, I do believe. And again, sorry for the camera jiggling. Oops. Oh goodness. All my glue's falling off my table. Sorry about that, y'all. Let's see this. Oh, wow. Look at that, y'all. Holy mackerel. Look at that. Now that's just gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. That is so cool. All right, well, I'm sold. I think this is great. Embossing tool. I might probably eventually maybe buy a couple dies here and there, but I mainly got it for embossing. So anyway, I just wanted to do that little unboxing with you all. Really, really easy. I'm really excited about these two folders that I have. Those are really pretty. All right, well, I will see you all on the next video. Bye, thanks for watching. Love y'all.